Okay, guys, so the last thing we're going to go ahead and do is if you notice that when you test out your game, even though our background is working perfectly fine, our leaves or whatever we created is gone. So in order to bring that back, what we're going to go ahead and do is on our leaves code, we're actually going to go ahead and disconnect this hide, move this backward, and we're going to add the hide instead of forever. We're going to add a go to front layer above the forever and a backward one. And then for our play button, we're going to add a go to front layer underneath the hide. And for our intro screen, we're also going to add a go to front layer underneath the hide. So if we test out our game, you can see that we still have our leaves showing, but it's not covering our title. It is for our play button. So what we can do is we can go ahead and add a go forward one and test that out again. And with that, everything is fixed and our game is working. So just make sure again that nothing for our leaves is covering our title and play button. If you need to, you can add a go forward one. If you notice that maybe the button is above, but it's the title that's actually the one being covered. So you guys can always add that in just to make sure everything's in the correct layer. And with that, we'll have our background scrolling perfectly fine. We have our leaves kind of coming down, and we have our animations for everything working as well. And with that, we are done with our week 1 deep dive.